Welcome to a new season of the Hey Tiff Show. I'm Tiffany Botel, CEO and founder of PMVA, Property Management Virtual Assistant. So today we're going to dive into the complex world of commercial property management fees. Whether you're a property manager or a real estate agent or even a real estate investor, understanding commercial property management fees is crucial to maximizing the profitability and efficiency of your property portfolio. In this episode, I'll break down the different types of fee structures, what they cover, and also how to choose the right property management firm to meet your needs. Let's start with the basics of commercial property management fees. Look, typically they cost anywhere between 4% and 12% of the monthly rental income. The variation really depends on factors like property type, its location, and of course the services that are provided for those fees. Understanding this fee structure helps you ensure that you're getting the best value for the services that are rendered. So firstly, we have percentage-based fees, which are the most common type of fee in this sector. These are calculated as a percentage of the rental income. And then there are flat fees, which provide consistent billing, but may not reflect the complexities of managing a larger style commercial property, such as a shopping centre or mall. And these are more demanding on a property. These fees cover the essential services like tenant management, as well as financial overseeing, property maintenance, and of course, lease administration. However, there can also be additional costs for services such as lease renewals when your tenant's extending a term, and also major maintenance or any other type of renovation work at a property. Also ensure that you have a clear understanding with your property manager on what's included so that you avoid any unexpected expenses. So when you're selecting a property management firm, consider their experience, reputation, fee transparency, and of course, communication practices are essential. A firm that aligns with your goals and offers comprehensive services will help you get the most out of your investment. To sum up, understanding and negotiating property management fees is key to maximizing the value of your commercial real estate. For more detailed advice and insights, visit our blog at pmva.com.au. If this episode was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in to the Hey Tiff Show. I'm Tiffany Botel, and I'll see you next time with more property management tips to elevate your strategies.